Think you've had the best crepes? Think again. For the batter, whisk together eggs, milk, vanilla essence, sugar, and melted butter. Gradually, add in flour until the batter is perfectly smooth. For the lush cream cheese filling, beat softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth. Then add a touch of lemon zest and a splash of D'lecta dairy cream. Heat a non-stick pan with a touch of butter, pour in the batter, and cook until golden and crisp. Spread a generous layer of luscious cream cheese filling and then top with your favorite berries. We use strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Fold them up and drizzle some honey and a dusting of powdered sugar for the perfect sweet touch. And there it is. Love this recipe? Like, share and subscribe for more creamy, cheesy deliciousness.